Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Tri Mutiara, absen 35. Saya dari kelas 104. Di sini saya akan mengerjakan remedi ulangan harian 2, teks 2. Hi, my name is Rudy. I'm not a sport fan, but that day I may have changed my mind in was Sunday, May 22nd, 2022. I had nothing to do at home, so I turned off the TV. There is a volleyball match between Indonesia and Vietnam. Since there were no other interesting program in decided to watch it. The match was amazing. Supporters from both sides shone in support of their team. Because the event was held in Vietnam, the Vietnam team received more supporters. The first set begins, both the teams gave their best to win the match. It seems that the Indonesia team is superior in this match. The strong surge in Indonesia player instilled to difficult for Vietnam's player to contain. The first set ended wins Indonesia and the winner with a score of 25 20 to 5-2 in the second set. The game was more or less the same as the first set. The Indonesia team dominated the match with hard speakers. Even though the home team had more supporters, this did not break the spirit on the Indonesia team. I felt the unison of every Indonesia player to win the second set. The second set ended with a score of 25 to 18 for the Indonesia team. In the third set, the Indonesia players were unfair. They are in the style single the tournament or finish the match as soon as possible. The player attached or definitely become in the single first the team seat was won by the Indonesia team with a score of 25-15. All the Indonesia supporters to the Indonesia. I felt on in the to stadium. It gave the me goosebumps in I'm proud of the Indonesia team. I am very happy the Indonesia team won, even though they were the finishing team. They were able to hope the Indonesia team continue to play well and activate victory in other matches. Hai, nama saya Rudi. Saya bukan penggemar olahraga, tapi hari ini saya mungkin berubah pikiran. Saat itu hari Minggu, tanggal 22 Mei 2022, saya tidak ada pekerjaan di rumah. Jadi saya menyalakan TV, ada pertandingan bola voli antara Indonesia dan Vietnam. Karena tidak ada acara menarik lainnya, saya memutuskan untuk menontonnya. Pertandingannya luar biasa. Supporter dari kedua kubu berteriak mendukung timnya. Karena ajang tersebut diadakan di Vietnam, maka tim Vietnam mendapat lebih banyak supporter. Set pertama dimulai. Kedua tim memberikan yang terbaik untuk memenangkan pertandingannya. Nampaknya tim Indonesia lebih unggul di laga kali ini. Lonjakan besar pemain Indonesia masih sulit untuk dibendung oleh pemain Vietnam. Set pertama berakhir dengan Indonesia sebagai pemenang dengan skor 25, pertandingan 22, bertanding 22. Pada set kedua, permainan kurang lebih sama dengan set pertama. Tim Indonesia mendominasi pertandingan dengan speed keras. Meski tim tuan rumah lebih banyak memiliki pendukung, namun hal tersebut tidak mematahkan semangat tim Indonesia. Saya merasakan antusiasme setiap pemain Indonesia untuk memenangkan set kedua. Set kedua berakhir dengan skor kedua 25, pertanding 18 untuk tim Indonesia. Pada set ketiga, pemain Indonesia on fire. Mereka semakin bertekad untuk menyelesaikan pertandingan secepatnya. Serangan dan pertahanan para pemain pun semakin sengit. Set ketiga dimenangkan oleh tim Indonesia dengan skor 25, bertanding 15. Seluruh supporter Indonesia berteriak Indonesia, Indonesia. Saya merasakan euforia di stadion itu. Itu membuatku merinding. Saya bangga dengan tim Indonesia. Saya senang tim Indo mendominasi permainan sejak awal set hingga akhir. Saya berharap tim Indonesia terus bermain bagus dan meraih kemenangan di pertandingan lainnya. Number 15. From the text, we can control text B. At the beginning, the match, the Indonesia team dominated. Number 13. The main idea of the paragraph 3 is C. The match in the one set. Text 3. I was Saturday the 24th of July 2021. I had finished my homework and was relaxing while watching TV. I turned on the TV and looking for a good TV program. After a while and came across a sorting event, the Tokyo Olympics. In was the women group on swimming, one swimming, qualification for the 400 individual medley event. The event was held at the Tokyo Aquarium Center in the preliminary round. The three was in Indonesia swimmer Remit Azahra Permatahani. A few moments later, the swimmers got ready in their respective lanes. I heard the crowd shooting at their favorite swimmer. Of course, I support Azahra Permatahani when the competition started. Those swimmers jump into the water and swim as fast as they can. Azahra Permatahani Quilchil accompanied with the Slovak representative Kate Fine and the Argentine swimmer Virginie Martin Badarch. The match was over and Azahra Permatahani was in second place in Group 1. I said to know the final result of the group stage match. This showed that Azahra Permatahani is in 16th position. Of a total of 17 swimmers spread across the three preliminary groups. He did not qualify for the final round because he only had 8 swimmers of 17 swimmers. Even though Azahra Permatahani did not face the qualifying round, I still feel proud of her because she gave her best. I hope can with the next game. Hari itu hari Sabtu tanggal 24 bulan Juli tahun 2021. Saya telah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumah saya dan sedang bersantai sambil menonton TV. Saya menyalakan TV dan mencari program TV yang bagus. Setelah beberapa saat, saya menemukan acara olahraga. Olimpiade Tokyo itu adalah kualifikasi renang grup 1 putri untuk nomor gaya ganti individu 400 meter. Acara tersebut diadakan di Tokyo Aquatic Center. Pada babak penyisihan, ada perenang Indonesia bernama Azahra Permatahani. Beberapa saat kemudian, para perenang bersiap di jalurnya masing-masing. Saya mendengar penonton memeriahkan perenang favorit mereka. Tentu saja saya mendukung Azahra Permatahani. Saat perlombaan dimulai, para perenang melompat ke dalam air dan berenang secepat mungkin. Azahra Permatahani dengan cepat bersaing dengan wakil Slovakia Kajta Fine dan perenang Argentina Virginia Martin Badarch. Pertandingan usai dan Azahra Permatahani berada di peringkat kedua grup 1. Sedih rasanya mengetahui hasil akhir pertandingan penyisi grup. Hal ini menunjukkan Azahra Permatahani berada di posisi ke-16 dari total 17 perenang yang tersebar di 3 grup penyisihan. Ia tidak lolos babak final karena hanya membutuhkan 8 perenang dari 17 perenang. Meski Azahra Permatahani tidak lolos babak kualifikasi, saya tetap merasa bangga padanya karena ia telah memberikan yang terbaik. Saya berharap dia bisa memenangkan pertandingan berikutnya. Number 16. What sport event did the welterweights? C. It was swimming qualification. Number 20. What is the main idea of the trial paragraph? B. The final result of the qualifying round.